Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to start page numbers 1 from page 3 in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and create some page. Now we want to start page number 1 from page 3. Go to the third page. Then go to the layout menu and select breaks drop down menu. Then choose next page. Then go back the insert menu and click page number. Then choose any page number. Then click the third page and go back click the third page and click link to previous. Then go to the page number drop down menu and choose format page number. Then select 3. Then go back the second page, delete the page number. Then click close header and footer, and we can see here we start page number 1, page 3 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.